people out there on that pier today. Welcome back to Fish Outdoors. We're back out at Anclote, and the wind is not as bad today. Man, it has been pretty windy for the last few weeks, so it's been rough out here. But today, it's still a little windy, but not as bad. So we're gonna try to see if there's any pompano. Last time we caught some permit, which was kind of a surprise, but so pompano, see if we can catch some of those today. That's our main target species. How's it going? Any biting? Huh? Oh, they are. Let's see. Park it right here. All right, we're gonna start out throwing the pompano jig. Sometimes you put a little piece of shrimp on it. This one is getting worn out. But without anything on it, just throw it like that and just jig it off the bottom. See if anything bites. It's right now we got a major feeding time going on, so we may get lucky today. It's a little bit in the middle of the day though. Okay, well, nothing biting the jig, pompano jig, so we're gonna try the white jig. I think this white jig needs to be replaced. Getting them rough. Piece of shrimp on here. And we're gonna go down, see what happens. Well, the current's really not moving that much. Huh. Okay. Yeah, this is getting a little rough, man. No bites. Nothing, no bites at all. 0 bites. Not a single fish yet. What's the deal with that, right? Not even a single bite. Nobody's catching anything. Jump! Jump! Oh, hey! It's a permit. Oh, it's a permit. Sheesh, yes. Nice, they're started biting again. Nice. Nice permit. Yeah, look at that, dude. It's a pretty decent looking, I think it's a permit. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Gee whiz. Oh man. Gee. Might be a jack. Might be a jack. Fights like a jack. Big jack. Oh man. Whoa, that's a giant permit. That's a giant permit. Oh yeah. That is a huge permit. Ooh, a nice big huge permit here. Oh. Got around the corner of the mouth. Big one. This one is huge. I want to say that one's like at least 16-incher. Huge. All right, let's put him in here for now. Yep. Yep, things are slow. For sure. Slow, slow. And the major feeding time is over too, so may not be anything going on till probably gets close to 6 o'clock, which is 3 hours away, so probably not going to stay here that long. Yeah, wrap it up for today. I have a feeling that this is going to be the end of our fishing trip, so we're going to wrapping it up after a nice couple of permit today. All right, so until our next fishing adventure, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. He's getting out of here, man.